Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to put the correct time on your Windows 10 computer. So right now it's showing 2:04 p.m. but where I'm at it is not 2:04 p.m. it's about 5:04 a.m. So what we can do here is go over here to the time, right click, and then go to adjust date and time. So we'll click that. Here our current date and time shows 2:05 p.m. Monday, September 30th. But where I'm at, it's actually 5:04 a.m. Tuesday, October 1st. What we need to do is go to the time zone, select the correct time zone you're in. Right now, the time zone I'm in is, so my city isn't in here, but I'm in the Hong Kong, Beijing time zone. And then we could just click sync now and make sure our time is up to date. All right, everything should be up to date now. And then we could just exit out of here. And as you can see here on the bottom, the correct time is showing 5:06 a.m. and it is October 1st, 2024. All right. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe and have a great day.